and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Katie with John Henry's, and today I'm here to talk to you about our boneless skinless chicken breasts. If you are familiar with our farm, you know that our meats are leaner than most because our chickens enjoy a happy and active life out on our farm. They spend their days outside in the sunshine, scratching for bugs, and eating the foliage that we plant for them. The way the chickens are raised presents itself in the flavor and quality of the meat, which is something our loyal customers know very well. Boneless skinless chicken breast is chicken breast meat that has had the skin and bones removed. This tasty white meat is high in protein, low in calories, and is a staple in many people's diet. But more than that, it's loaded with essential amino acids that keep our bones and muscles solid. The high protein content keeps you feeling full longer and is free of carbs. Chicken breasts also contain other extremely helpful nutrients such as niacin, which is vitamin B3, vitamin B6, phosphorus, potassium, and selenium, all of which are so important to our overall health. Our boneless skinless chicken breasts are cut in half and trimmed completely, making them ready to cook. We package them in a variety of different ways, such as individually, meaning one lobe or one side of the breast per package. 2 per package, this option is our most popular, and a 10-pound bulk bag. Our individual and 2 packs are predominantly cut from our roasting chickens, which is a larger bird. This means that our 2 packs weigh in at around 1 1/4 to 2 pounds per package. There are so many cooking methods to choose from when preparing chicken breasts, but one of my family's favorites is our Tuscan chicken pasta that's cooked in the Instant Pot. To see this recipe, please see the link in the description box below. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for supporting our farm. We're so glad that you found our channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more awesome recipes, click the video below.